This is a brilliant camera. It's all you need. It's the Nikon P950. It's got 83 times zoom. I did have the P900, but I left that on a plane. Never seen it again. How they never found this. And I did buy the P1000, but I thought that was a bit heavy, so I sold it and got the in between, the 950, which has 4K video, amazing zoom on it. Yeah, and fantastic for wildlife, bird photography and aircraft, as I'll show you in a minute if anything comes over. See that plane up there? What is it? Right, there's a pigeon up there. Let's see if I can. Very hard to do one-handed. Ow. Oh, can't do it one-handed. If you want to see more of my camera, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Thank you, Colin.